Hey folks, I'm Aryan Irani and welcome to Simple ML for Google Sheets. This is the first video in this course where we'll be just taking a short introduction to what is Simple ML and how we're going to be using it through this course. With Simple ML for Sheets, which is also referred to as Simple ML, everybody can use machine learning in Google Sheets without knowing machine learning, without coding, or even without sharing data with third parties. Simple ML is an add-on for Google Sheets with machine learning capabilities structured into tasks. Beginner tasks are highly automated machine learning capabilities that do not require users to know machine learning. Such tasks are suitable for everyone. For example, you can predict missing values or even spot abnormal values without having to worry about how it's done. So let's take a look at the course content for this course. We'll be starting out by a short introduction about Simple ML that we just did right now. We looked at the definition of it and just understanding what it does. We'll be later taking a look at the documentation for it. Then we'll be looking at prerequisites for Simple ML, and we'll be looking at how to install Simple ML for Google Sheets. Then we'll be doing some examples for the beginner task where we'll be predicting missing values, we'll be spotting abnormal values, and in the end, we'll be training a model and even testing a model by using an example for predicting house prices using Simple ML. The resources that I'm going to be using are stored in my Google Drive folders, and I've used some Kaggle links and I have referred to the Simple ML documentation. You'll find all these resources under one Google Drive folder. That link is in the description. You can check that out. And I'll see you in the next one.